In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get live stock price in Google Sheets. To get started, open Google Sheets and create a new spreadsheet, or open an existing one if you already have a tracker in progress. This method is great if you want a simple way to monitor stock prices without switching between websites or apps. Google Sheets can automatically pull in market data, which makes it useful for building a watch list or keeping an eye on a portfolio. Once your sheet is open, go to column A and enter the stock tickers you want to track. For example, you might place one ticker in cell A2 and another in cell A3. A helpful tip here is to be as specific as possible with your ticker symbols. Some companies may have similar tickers across different global exchanges. So to avoid confusion, you can add the exchange before the ticker. For example, instead of only typing a ticker symbol, you can use a format like an exchange name followed by the ticker. This helps Google Sheets identify the correct market and return more accurate results. After entering your tickers, move over to column B, where you'll pull in the live stock prices. In the cell next to your first ticker, enter the Google Finance formula and reference the ticker cell while requesting the price attribute. For example, if your first ticker is in cell A2, then in B2, you would enter equals Google Finance open parenthesis. A2, comma. Quote. Price quote, close parenthesis. This tells Google Sheets to look at the ticker in A2 and return the current market price. Once you press enter, the stock price should appear in the cell, depending on the market and Google Finance availability. There may sometimes be a short delay before the value updates. That's normal, especially if the market is closed or if the data refresh takes a moment. When the first formula is working correctly, you can apply it to the rest of your list. Click on the cell containing the formula, then look for the small blue square in the bottom right corner of the selected cell. Drag that square downward to copy the formula into the rows below. Google Sheets will automatically adjust the cell references for each row, so each ticker gets its own live price. That's all it takes to build a simple live stock price tracker in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching.